to the explainer. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the hidden logic that brings order to the absolute chaos of a modern warehouse. It's the invisible brain that makes it all happen. So let's just start with this one big question. In a gigantic warehouse with literally millions of different items, how does anything get to the right place at the right time? Seriously, how do they do it? To find the answer, we first need to really appreciate the incredible scale of the problem. And trust me, it's a big one. See, modern warehouses aren't just for storage anymore. They are these dynamic hubs of constant, super complex activity. Imagine thousands of products arriving, being checked, sorted, stored, all while thousands more are being picked and shipped right back out. So how is all this chaos managed? Well, it needs a conductor for this massive warehouse orchestra, and that system is called storage control. Now, what's really interesting here is that storage control isn't just about putting things on a shelf. Nope. It's the brain that figures out and executes an entire sequence of steps for every single complex movement. It handles everything, and I mean everything, from the moment a product arrives, like quality checks, to custom preparations before it's even stored, like creating special kits. The whole shebang. Okay, let's dive into this a little deeper, because the system makes its decisions using two different but totally complementary methods. First up, you've got process-oriented control. Think of this as the master checklist, or maybe the recipe. It defines all the required procedural steps for a product based on a set of business rules. It's all about the what to do. And then you have layout-oriented control. This one is all about the where to go. It considers the physical reality of the warehouse, the actual aisles, the racks, and all the workstations. And this illustrates the difference perfectly. One is about the what, the business process, the rules, and the other is about the where, the physical layout. It's that simple. So let's see how this builds. Because neither one of these methods works in isolation. Their interaction, well, that's the secret sauce. The system is designed so these two types of control are constantly communicating with each other to find the absolute best path. So the crucial thing to get here is that the process rules create the ideal plan, right? But then the layout control acts as a reality check to make sure it can actually happen in the real world. So why is this intelligent system so important? What's the big deal? It's a big deal because it solves two fundamental challenges at the exact same time. Following really complex business rules while navigating a really complex physical space. And this means a product gets exactly the handling it needs every single time without any manual intervention. No steps get skipped. So, here's the bottom line. This system is what allows for the speed, the accuracy, and the complexity required to power modern commerce. It's a game changer. And that leaves us with a final thought about what's coming next for these incredible invisible systems.
You ever stop